Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PC on Windows 11. It's very easy to do. So you go to search, type in settings. On the left hand side go to system, scroll down until you see recovery. And here you're going to see reset this PC. So click on reset this PC. You have two options, keep my files and remove everything. You can also click on help me choose, but basically, yeah, whichever you want. Then after you choose it, it will ask you if you want to reset on the cloud download or a local reinstall. The cloud download will download the latest version of Windows 11 from Microsoft, and this of course requires an internet connection. The local reinstall is faster, but basically if you have a USB or something like that. And before you do this, of course, make sure to back up your system. And this will take about 20 minutes to do, and that is it.